What happens if I want to be an investor? The first thing you do if you want to be an investor is talk to Corrine Corden. Corrine is the owner and the broker of the Capella Mortgage Trust Deed Program. The State of Nevada Mortgage Lending Division requires that Corrine speaks to you and determines that you are an accredited investor. She will ask you some questions to make sure the Nevada statutes are followed. After she asks these questions, she will approve you as a user of the site, and you will be allowed to go onto the website and look at the trust deeds. If you see one that you like, you can reserve it. This means you are not positive about the loan yet, but you like the property. Then, you will get a call from someone at Capella, and they will discuss the loan with you. After that, you are given access to the online file folder, which has the MLS listing, the assessor's record, pictures of the property, a voice recording of Corrine's analysis of the trust deed, the borrower's financial information, the purchase agreement, and the preliminary title report. However, some information is withheld to protect against identity theft. After you review all of this information and decide this is a loan you like, Capella gets everything ready and has you and the borrower sign the loan documents. Then it is time to wire your money to the title company. When escrow has all of the money, they then close and record the deal. After it records, Capella prepares your package and sends it to you and Westar Loan Servicing, who will set up your account, set you up as an investor, and get your direct deposit going. Westar also gives you an account number and a PIN number so that you can look up all of your trust deeds, see what your account balances are, what the interest rate is, and when your next payment is due. You then receive monthly payments until it is time to get paid off. Once it is time to get paid off, you will sign some paperwork, and the next thing you know, the principal balance is put back into your bank account so that you can invest it again.